Hi dear children, today we are going to study a very important topic from grammar, that is gerund. I hope you will get good knowledge from this video. Let's begin. The name of the topic is Gerund from grade 5 subject English grammar by Tejashree Miskin. Let's try to understand, dear student, what is gerund. Gerund is usually defined as a word ending in ing that is formed from a verb and that functions as a noun. See what happens basically, student, gerund is in verb form, but when we add ing to it, it becomes noun. Let us see some examples to make this topic clear to you. Let's take example of work. Work is a verb, to work, it's an action. But when you add ing to it, it will become working. So working is not verb over here. Working is a gerund. Pay. Pay is a verb, but when you add ing to it, it will become paying, and paying is a gerund. Improve. Improve is a verb, but when you will add ing to it, it will become improving. So what happens, dear students, when a verb ends in ing, remember this, ing, and it is used as a noun, we call it as a gerund. A gerund phrase is phrase containing a gerund. What is a gerund phrase? A phrase which contains a gerund. Let's see what is gerund in a detailed manner. Again the same thing, verb plus ing. It has meaning of verb, but it performs as a noun. It has meaning of verb, but it performs as a noun. Now we can use gerund in different forms. We can use gerund as subject, we can use gerund as object, and we can also use gerund as complement. Let's see some examples. When gerund is acting as a subject, traveling abroad is exciting. Now you can see your gerund is acting as a subject. As an object, she finished making a pizza. Making a pizza. This is acting as an object. Making is a gerund over here. As a complement, my hobby is reading novels. So gerund is acting as a complement over here. So in this manner, what we can say that gerund acts as a subject, object, and also complement. Let's see some few more information regarding gerund. The gerund is often used after certain verbs. There are certain verbs you use gerund after that. See the examples. I dislike working after 5 p.m. We enjoy hiking. We stopped working at 6 o'clock. We suggested going for a movie. Farah keeps talking about her problems. Now what you can see here, there are some words like dislike, you are using gerund after it, walking. Enjoy, you are using gerund after it, hiking. Stopped, you are using gerund after it, working. So by this way, what we come to know, there are certain words after which we use gerund. Let us see some few more examples of gerund and gerund phrases. Let's see one by one. The first one, dancing is so much fun. You can see dancing is a gerund. They are looking forward to hunting. Hunting is a gerund. Swimming is a good exercise. Swimming is a gerund. To swim, it's a verb, but when you add ing to it, it becomes gerund. We enjoyed painting the fence. It's a gerund. Skating is Rahul's favorite pastime. Skating is a gerund. The part which is underlined and the part which is in bold and italic form, those are gerunds. Playing well is important if we have to win the match. So playing is a gerund. Entertaining guests is an art. Very few can master. Again, entertaining is a gerund. Raj counting the stars. Counting is a gerund. Resting, exercising, these all are gerund. So what we come to know from this example, dear students, when we add ing to a verb, it acts as a noun and it becomes gerund. Now we have seen a lot of things about gerund. Now there is one short exercise for you people to solve in order to improve your knowledge regarding gerund. The first exercise is write gerund forms of the verbs. See, there are list of verbs given to you, like for example save, keep, stop, make, play and lie. You have to write their ing form. Ing form means you have to write their gerund form. First one I will do it for you. Save, it will become saving. Second one, keep, it will become keeping. Stop, it will become stopping. Now rest of them you can try. The next activity is underline the gerund. There are list of sentences given to you. You have to underline which is gerund from the sentence. Riding a bike is good for health. So you can see that there is a word riding. So this is a gerund. Eating a lot isn't a good habit. So eating is a gerund. So in this manner you will do the rest of them. Okay, you can try this and this will definitely improve your knowledge regarding gerund. I hope you got a good knowledge from this video. Thank you so much everyone.